I'm Twinkle Tawar, BSc first year student, and today we are going to do all previous year idioms and phrases for various competitive exams, CDS, OT, and NDA. So let's begin. First is until the cows come home means for a very long time. When push comes to shove, when a situation turns desperate, let someone off the hook means not to hold someone responsible for something. Keep up appearances means to pretend that everything is good. जब हम ये pretend करते हैं कि सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा चल रहा है, तब हम ये phrase use करते हैं. As time goes by, passing of one moment to the next, a new lease of life, becoming more energetic than you were before. Murphy's law, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Means जो भी कुछ गलत हो सकता है वो गलत होगा. Tough cookie, it is used for a determined person. Now twist someone's arm means to pressurize someone to do something, to play truant, staying away from school without permission, ride high, be successful, chew the fate, talk in friendly manner, Kate got your tongue when this phrase is used when you are not able to speak. Pardon my French, apologizing for curse, all talk and no trousers, someone who always talk about doing big things, ऐसा इंसान जो हमेशा बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें करने के लिए बोलता रहता है but don't take action. Stiff necked means stubborn person, बहुत ही जिद्दी इंसान के लिए phrase यूज़ किया जाता है. A lone wolf means someone who is not very social with other people, means antisocial, we can say. A tall order means a difficult task. Bite the bullet to get something over with because it is inevitable. A dime a dozen means something very common. Get someone off your system means do the thing. ऐसी चीज़ जो आप बहुत दिनों से करना चाहते थे and now you are doing that so that you can move on. Get out of your hand means get out of control. Easy does it, slow down, cutting corners, doing something poorly in order to save your time or money. किसी चीज़ को बहुत ही poor तरीके से करना. Now cut somebody some slack. अपना time बचा. Don't be so critical. Call it a day. Stop working on something. Man of action, man of deeds का होगा someone inclined to act first and think later. ऐसा इंसान जो पहले काम करता है और बाद में सोचता है. Man of means rich person. Man of God, a priest of any godly man. Man of few words, ऐसे people जो they the one who talk to the point. Man of the word, worldly wise person. Nailed their color to the mast, to refuse to surrender. Get the pink slip, get the sack, get the boat, or be fired. Means a person is dismissed from his job. Between jobs, ये हम बेरोजगार इंसान के लिए यूज करते हैं. The one who is temporarily unemployed. Burn candle at the both end means to go bed late and get up early. Put in one's paper, resign from the job, at first blush, at first sight, go to the devil, be off, egg on, encourage, backbone, one's will. Salt of the earth means very kind, honest, and good person. Strained every nerve means worked very hard. Catnap थोड़ी देर के लिए सोना मतलब to sleep briefly. Pales into insignificance, seemed less important. Chief of the old block, remind them of one's parent. Capital punishment means death sentence. To play fast and goose means to act in an unreliable way. Wet behind the ears, immature. Foam at the mouth, angry. To cut one short means to interrupt someone. Keep the wolf from the door means keep away extreme poverty. To play now, kicked up a row means make a great fuss, बहुत ही ज़्यादा excited होना. Give someone the benefit of doubt means जो भी अगला इंसान जो कह रहा है उस पर विश्वास कर लेना. Trust what someone says. No pain no gain, it is very common. मतलब जो भी आप चीज़ चाहते हो उसके लिए आपको वर्क करना होगा. You have to work for what you want. Miss the boat, it's too late. Make a long story short means tell something in brief. Let someone off the hook means to not hold someone responsible for something. The best of both worlds, an ideal situation. That's the last straw means my patience has run out. Speak of the devil, the person we were just talking about showed up. मतलब जिस भी इंसान के लिए हम बात कर रहे थे, that person just showed up in front of us. Put yourself together means calm down. Pull someone's joke uh, means to joke with someone. We will cross that bridge when we come to it. मतलब let's talk about that problem right now. To get bent out of shape means to get upset. Time flies when you are having fun. मतलब समय बहुत जल्दी से गुजर जाता है when we are having fun. Your guess is as good as mine means I have no idea. Wrap your head around something means understand something complicated. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Better to show than tell. Birds of a feather flock together. People who are alike are often friends. जो person same होते हैं वो friends होते हैं. इसको हम negative way में use करते हैं. Do something at the drop of a hat means do something without having planned beforehand. Walk a tightrope means to act very carefully. Cry over split milk means complaining about a loss in past. Ended in a fiasco, in a complete failure. Argus eyes means observant. Put a spoke in one wheel. Do something which spoil the plans. At arm's length, to keep at a distance. Annex to grind. Have selfish motive और selfish purpose होता है किसी काम को करने के लिए, तब हम ये phrase use करते हैं. Bell the cat, face the risk, gain ground, become popular. Call a spade means to speak directly. Directly जो भी हो वो बोल देना. Feel his pulse, find his views. To clip one's wings freedom, to restrict one's freedom. Like shooting fish in a barrel, very easy to catch. The gift of the gab means the ability to speak easily and confidently. To be in a fix, to support oneself. Fish in troubled water, to get benefit in a bad situation. Man of letters, an illiterate person writing on the wall, grifting. To catch a tartar means to catch a dangerous person. To go to the wall, to be ruined. To be a wet blanket, a person who spoil others. मतलब हमारे ग्रुप में एक ऐसा इंसान होता है जो एंड टाइम पे मना कर देता है और स्पॉइल कर देता है हमारे प्लान को. Go Dutch, to share the cost of something, especially a meal. Cost शेयर करना, especially meal का. On a wild goose chase, wasting time in looking for something that you are not going to find. किसी ऐसी चीज़ में अपना समय बर्बाद करना, ऐसी चीज़ को ढूंढने में समय बर्बाद करना जो आपको कभी नहीं मिलने वाली. For example, Nagmani, and for kids such as Fairy and Doraemon, etc. The spitting image of means to look very much the same as someone else. Put your money where your mouth is means to do what you mean. A golden handshake मतलब एक लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दी जाती है किसी इंसान को जब वो कंपनी को लीव करता है, तो उसे हम बोलेंगे a golden handshake. Lean and mean, to use only what is necessary. Full of beans मतलब having a lot of energy. Brush off, dismiss something someone in an abrupt way. Leaps and bounds very fast. At odds, in dispute. An apple of discord मतलब झगड़े का कारण या cause of quarrel. At cross purposes means in disagreement. After one's own heart, one's choice. At the bottom of, responsible for. At a loss, confused. At daggers drawn, better enmity. At large, to keep open या free. At sea, pondering or thinking over something. Add fuel to the flame, make the situation worse. At 6 and 7s, in disorder. Assume airs, to pretend superiority. ABC मतलब basic knowledge. At stake, in danger, a man of parts. एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन के लिए हम ये फ्रेज यूज करते हैं अ मैन ऑफ स्पिरिट, अ पैशनेट पर्सन, अ स्लिप ऑफ अ पेन मीन्स अ राइटिंग मिस्टेक, स्नेक इन अ ग्रास, एक हिडन एनिमी। अ गुड फॉर नथिंग फेलो, एक ऐसा यूजलेस पर्सन। मतलब अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया या आप कोई कमेंट नहीं करते हो, सो यू आर अ यूजलेस पर्सन फॉर मी। एन आयरन विल, जस्ट किडिंग। स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन। अ बैड एग मतलब a dishonest person, a close shave, a narrow escape मतलब बाल बाल बचना, a bolt from the blue ये तो हर एग्जाम में दिख ही जाता है, an unexpected happening, so this is very common. A cat and a dog life मतलब ऐसी लाइफ जो दैट इज फुल ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स और पूरी झगड़े की भरी हुई हो, ऐसी लाइफ। अ चिकन हर्टेड पर्सन, अ कवर्ड पर्सन मतलब बहुत ही कायर इंसान। अ चिंक इन समवंस आर्मर, वीक पॉइंट। अ चिप ऑन शोल्डर, टू बी एंग्री ऑलवेज ऐसे इंसान जो हमेशा गुस्से में रहता है। अ क्लोज फिस्टेड मैन मतलब कंजूस आदमी, स्टिंगी। अ कॉग इन द मशीन, वेरी लेस सिग्निफिकेंस। अ कोल्ड शोल्डर, इग्नोर समवन। अ डार्क हॉर्स, an unexpected winner means I'm going to be the dark horse for ND exam. A feather in one's cape and a remarkable achievement. Now, fling away, to throw aside violently, stick by, to adhere closely, wink at, to pretend not to see, to be on the wave, to be diminishing, to get one's back up means to become irritated, to lead to the altar, to marry, to feather one's nest, to enrich oneself when opportunity knocks, to strike oil means to have a great success, the rank and the file, ordinary member of the society, सामान्य इंसान of society, on the wagon means abstaining from beverages, drinking alcoholic beverages. So I'm done with all the phrases. So tell me the topic for the next video and thank you. Stay tuned.